Look 3 for the 31 Days of Halloween challenge is this fall skull look. If you like this tutorial, be sure to like and subscribe to make sure you don't miss all the looks coming out this month. Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we're going to start by pinning the hair off of the face. Using orange, red, and copper tones, we're going to go ahead and blend down the side of the nose, across the upper lid, and down under the eye. Working with those same warm tones, we're going to go ahead and sculpt out the nose. We'll then go ahead and sculpt out the lower portions around your cheekbones, as well as the upper portions of the face. We'll then move forward, adding some chocolate tones into the upper creases and along the bottom lid. And bring that same chocolate tone across the entire eyelid. We will be doing a skull for the lower portions of the face, so using an angled brush and black eyeshadow, we're going to go ahead and section out the major areas for that design. For the two main hollows of the cheeks, we're going to go ahead and fill them in with a black body paint. Go ahead and conceal and powder to seal your lips. And with detail brushes, we're going to go ahead and start marking out the teeth areas with that same black shadow. Go ahead and create two horizontal lines running parallel to each other for the tops and the bottom edges of the teeth. And add some little detail lines around the bottom jaw portion. We're going to go back in with that chocolate brown color and start defining the top rounded edges of each tooth. Do the same on the bottom as well. With a little space in between, go ahead and create a second line above and below. Sculpt the edges of your chin and jawline with those same warm tones that we used on the eyes to create more of a skull-like effect. Blend black shadow across that top edge on each side to go ahead and create a shadowed effect, as well as along the bottom front edge. With a white body paint, fill in each tooth individually. With the white body paint watered down, go ahead and add some highlights around the edges of the teeth areas, the gum lines, and down into the bone details. Highlight the top portions of the jaw edge, as well as the lower portions of the cheek edge. This will help recess the rest. Go ahead and use those warmer tone colors and fill in the neck entirely. For the brows, use the same black body paint and outline the top and bottom edge connecting at the outer point. Fill in the outer third of the brows. Working with an angled brush and a nice warm tone, go ahead and fill in the first third of the start of each brow and then blend into that chocolate brown, blending all the way into the black. With that black body paint, go ahead and create little vertical hair strokes outwardly and build density into the darker areas. Working with a liquid black liner, go ahead and heavily line the bottom 2/3 of each lower lid. Rub a gold shimmer eyeshadow on the inner half of each eyelid. Then with that same liquid liner, go ahead and create a very dramatic cat's eye. You're going to start from the inner corner, working outwardly and creating a thicker point as you go, then connect the top and bottom line. Add some dramatic upper lashes. Using more maroon and red base tones, go ahead and blend those around the edges where you had those warmer tones before. Carry some of that red down into the neck as well. I wanted to create glitter swirl details on the face, and I started by using latex and then tapping glitter on. This is where I realized this was not going to work. Choosing to switch up the method, I took a bunch of the glitter and actually mixed it directly into the liquid latex and then started drawing swirls. Me personally, I like to work back and forth on both halves of the face for every little swirl that I do. For me, it's a lot easier to make it more of a mirrored looking effect, working section by section, than doing an entire design and then trying to repeat it on the other side. I didn't really have a design in mind. For me, it was more about just freehanding as I went until I was happy with the balance of the look itself. This is actually a very satisfying process as you go because it starts off as white swirls and then you just watch it very quickly fade into just pure glitter. I added a chain crown that I already had and 2 hair pieces that I made pretty quickly, which I'm actually going to teach you how to make in a later video. As always, thank you so very much for watching my videos. I know you have a huge selection to choose from on YouTube, and I am so very grateful each and every time you choose one of mine.